Archana Mishra from Standard 9 from the Canberra Global School. My model is fundamental rights. Here, all the fundamental rights that are given in our constitution are situated. This is the right to equality, which is written under the Article 14 and 18, which give us the equality on the basis of our races, sex, and places. And this is the right to freedom of religion. This states that we can follow any religion irrespective of the state. It means that India is a secular country. Here we can follow any religion if we are to follow. And this is the right to constitutional remedies. It means if our any fundamental right is get avoided, we can raise our voice against them. And this is the cultural and educational right which come under the Article 29 and 30 in our constitution. It means everyone has the right to educate and follow their own culture. And this is the right against the exploitation which is come under the Article 23 and 24 in our constitution. It means if someone exploit us on the basis of anything or prohibits us from our fundamental rights, we can raise voice to Supreme Court or other courts. And this is the last one, freedom, right to freedom, which come under the Article 19 and 22, which means we are free to speak and share our own opinion in our country. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Rashmi from Standard 9 from the Canberra Global School, and I am made the model of Archimedes principle. We all know that Archimedes principle say that the volume of object is equal to the liquid displaced by the object. This is the model of this is experiment so by the sink and float, and this is the measuring cylinder experiment. That's all about it. Thank you.
Hello, I am Anuradha Gupta from Standard 9 in the Canberra Global School. This is the model of rational number. A rational number is a number which is written in the form of P by Q form, in which P and Q are the integer and Q is not equal to 0. This is the rules of rational number, in which A and B are the rational number, and this is the example of this rule. 2 by 3 in A position and B in the 3 position, and this is the answer. In multiply, in divide, and if a number is multiplied in its reciprocal, it's going to be 1. And this is the fraction addition, in which the base are same, 5, 5, and the answer is 4 by 5. This is also in the subtraction, in which the base are same, like 5, and answer is 2 by 5. Rational number is all in the multiplication and division also. In multiplication, this is 1 by 2. I take A equal to 1 and C equal to 2. And in division, the second is reciprocal to in the right hand side. That's A by B into D by C. Thank you.
Hello, I am Pratyush from class 9 from the Canberra Global School. My model is the fundamental right. There are 6 fundamental rights: right to constitution remedies, right to freedom of religion, and right to equality, and right to freedom, and right to against exploitation, and last one is right to cultural and educational rights. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Santosh from Standard 9 of the Canberra Global School. My project is fundamental right. As we know that all the citizens of our country have their some right for protect themselves. There is our first right to equality. No one can exploit and by their caste, sex, and etc. And after it, right to freedom. It means all the citizens have right to freedom for go anywhere, any place in our country. And after it, right to freedom of all religions. In this, the constitutional say that every citizen or the people have right to
take any culture and religion. And after it, cultural and educational right, it means all the student or the citizen have the right of taking education for their future. And after it, right against exploitation. If anyone who exploit the another people by many ways, so it may give action on it. And right to right to constitutional remedies in this the parliament sorry the court is come in which if anyone who exploit by another people, then they can complain in the court, high court, supreme court, and lower court also. Thank you.
Majid Kumar Pathak from class 9 from the Gandhar Local School. And my model is angles of triangle. Like this one's 360-degree complete angle and 90-degree, acute angle 0 degree to 90-degree, and right angle 90-degree, obtuse angle 90-degree to 180-degree, and straight angle 180-degree equal to 180-degree. The angle is